I've been a fan of Oneodio headphones for the last 3 years. After using Audio Technica M50X, I decided to switch because the clamps were too tight and got this Oneodio Pro 10. The quality was decent for the price, and the ability to use 3.5 mm and 6.5 mm cables gave an added flexibility. In this video, let's see how expensive you can feel with this low budget underrated Oneodio Pro 50. The packaging is good and comes in an elegant yet simple box. There are features written at the back. Your headphones come with a very nice soft leather portable bag which looks and feels good. Other than that, the box includes 2 cables and a user manual. Let's talk about the build quality. The headphone is made of plastic except the metal headband, and the headphones don't feel cheap. Also keep in mind you're getting a lot for what you pay, so it has to be plastic to fit the cost. The build quality is very good considering the price and nothing to complain about. The included cables are also nice quality and promise to work well and last long. And the portable case, as discussed earlier, is made of soft leather that looks and feels good. The headphones have foldable design and they rotate 90 degrees for single ear monitoring, which a lot of DJs look for. And the ear cups have plenty of articulation, and when I say plenty, I mean it. Overall, this foldable design helps to put them in your backpack easily. Also, the Pro 50 features a soft leather ear pad that is significantly thick and makes it comfortable to wear for long sessions. These ear pads are replaceable too. The headband has a soft padding so it won't be uncomfortable from the top either. When I wear the headphones, they are neither tight nor loose. They fit very comfortably. Coming to the cables, they are heavy duty and sufficiently long, and the 6.35 mm to 3.5 mm cable has spring coil design that makes it extra long. These designs have 2 jacks, one 6.35 mm and the other 3.5 mm regular one. So with the dual cables, you have a 6.5 mm to 3.5 mm cable and a 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm cable that has an inline mic while the other one doesn't. So keep in mind, if you want to use the mic, you have to use the 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm cable. The headphones have 50 mm 32 ohm drivers, so you just can plug it in your phone, laptop, etc. and enjoy. Coming to the mic quality, the inline mic that is present in the 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm cable is very good and can be easily recommended for taking calls and gaming. So let's talk about the sound quality, the important feature in any headphone. That's where these headphones shine. They deliver perfectly balanced sound with deep bass due to the 50 mm driver with the audiophile level clarity at an affordable price point. The headphones may fail to entertain a bass head that cares only about bass, but for most people it has a plenty of bass and they are bass heavy, but it's not bass head focused headphones. The sound is rich and the headphones are pretty loud without any distortion at max volumes. This level of sound quality is not found at this price point. The mids, highs and lows all are evenly balanced and none gets overpowering along the excellent instrumental separation, which lets you differentiate between the different instruments being played. While some headphones in this price fail to deliver this instrument separation, and what you get is a muffled sound that don't let you focus on how much different instruments sound. This headphone is good for home studio monitoring. And thanks to you guys for watching this video till now. I have 3 bonus tips for you. If you want to convert these headphones into a wireless one, then buy a 3.5 mm Bluetooth receiver and connect it to the headphones and boom, now they are wireless. You can use both ports at the same time, one for connecting to your audio interface and the other for listening to a karaoke track while you're singing. If you want an extended mic like this one, you can get this accessory meant for Oneodio A71 from the Fusion series and enjoy clear calls. These are sturdy and flexible. And the durability of this headphone depends on how you treat them, and for a normal user who takes care of these headphones, these can easily serve some years. I've had this Pro 10 for 3 years and it's still usable except for some cosmetic damages, which is acceptable. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also, if you are interested in electronic gadgets, please subscribe to my channel so that you will have the latest information and updates. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.